Hello, in this video I will be explaining my program called Nature of Numbers using the VS Code. In this program asks the user to enter a number and it tells them three things: whether the number is even or odd, whether it has a perfect square root and all of its factors. This is even or odd and a perfect square root. This line imports the maths library. It allows me to use my mathematical functions, specifically the square root functions, which I use later in the program. This part creates a loop so the program can run multiple times. The variable again stores the user's choice. The loop continues running as long as the user enters Y, meaning yes. The hopper ensures that even if the user types a lowercase y, the program is still working correctly. Here, the program asks the user to enter a whole number. The input is converted into integer using int, that is the integer, into the bracket because we need a number to perform calculations. In the even or odd section here, this section checks if the number is even or odd. It uses the modus operator percentage, which gives the remainder after division. If a number divided by 2 has a remainder, it is even, otherwise it is odd. For the perfect square section, this part checks if the number has a perfect square root. First, it finds the square root using the math.square, that is the math.square, then into the bracket number here. Then it compares the square root of its integers version. If they are equal, it means the number has no decimal path and is a perfect square. If they are not equal, then the square root is not perfect. For the factor section here, this loop is used to find all the factors of the number. It checks every number from 1 to the number itself. If the number divides evenly with no remainder, as it is here, then the value is a factor. When a factor is found, it is added to a list so we can display all factors at the end. This path converts all the numbers in the list into strings and join them together with commas so they display neatly in one line. Here, the user is asked if they want to continue. If they enter Y, the program runs again, otherwise the loops end. When the loop ends, the program prints a closing message to the user. So basically, this program uses loops, conditionals, and mathematical operations to analyze a number and present useful information to the user in a clear and interactive way. Thank you.